How to use Prezi tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in today's video, I am going to introduce to you to a presentation software that allows you to create dynamic and engaging presentation. So this is called Prezi. So unlike the traditional slide-based tools like PowerPoint, Prezi offers a unique way to present your ideas by using a canvas where you can zoom in and out, pan and navigate freely. With Prezi, you can actually create visually appealing presentations that capture your audience's attention. That's why it's really different and it's more animated compared when you're using your regular PowerPoint presentation. And later on, I'll be showing you how we can create a presentation. So here with Prezi, let's start with its products first. So here in the product section, so this is what makes Prezi unique. You can actually see an overview. So Prezi's one-of-a-kind open canvas lets you organize your presentation. It's smart structures, so it's easier to arrange your slides. So here you also have the zoom reveal. Next is your free movement. And lastly, this new feature that they have, which is present over video. All right. Now here are some examples of Prezi's templates, and let's basically try to get started. Okay, now here when you create an account, you can actually use your Facebook, Apple, Google, Slack, or Microsoft, or you could also manually input the information in the fields above. As for me, I just use my Google account to sign in, and basically I just need to tick on the box to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy of Prezi. Now let's continue. Here you can actually see three plans available in Prezi. That's the standard, plus, premium. So here the lowest or the cheapest one is the standard. This is used for personal use only. Okay, and then we also have the plus, which is for expert visual communicators, and the premium for business professionals. So I'm gonna start my free trial for the standard. So basically they don't have a free account, they just have a 14-day free trial, and you just need to choose within these two payment method. You either pay with PayPal or your credit card. Now you need to input your credit card information and make sure that you do not go over the 14-day trial because it will deduct from your credit card. All right, now here let's get started. So you just need to choose your current role. So I'm gonna choose other, and I'm gonna input freelancer. You could also input like video editor and whatnot. Okay, next here is what do you want to create. So we actually have presentations, video presentations, infographics, and explore public presentations. And here is our Prezi dashboard. So here in the Prezi dashboard, you can actually see your panel in the left hand side. That's where you can see your Prezi present, video, and whatnot. So here I have clicked on Prezi present. Here is an example of how you can create a presentation in Etsy, or Prezi rather. Okay, so in order to get started, you just need to either click on your cursor, or you also can make use of the left and right button on your keyboard. Okay, there. So that is how it looks like. Basically, what I did here, in order for me to go to the different sections or pages, I just need to like right click, and then basically I can go to the topics and its subtopics. All right, so that is how we can create a presentation in Prezi, or like an example presentation on Prezi. Now let's create our own. So you can actually start with creating from a template, or you could also start from scratch. So let's try creating from templates. So here in your template section, you can actually see a lot of different kinds of designs that you can actually make use of. So you just need to look for the best design that suits your needs best. Okay, so here in the left hand side, there is also like some categories that you can choose from. So whether it's for business, for education, and infographics and whatnot, then you can actually choose that. Now I have selected the template that I will be using. I'm just gonna use a blank template right here, and we're gonna click on the use this template button here below. So afterwards, we will be routed in a separate page, and in this section, we can actually start creating our Prezi presentation. So here in the right hand corner, you can actually choose the color palette that you would want to use. So say for example, I want to use this color palette right here. So you just need to input your title first and also the subtitle below. So here above, you could also see a menu bar where you can actually change the font style, the font size, and if you want to make the letters bold, italicized, and whatnot, then you actually have a menu bar that you can actually choose from. Okay, there. Now, what we can do next is we're going to add a page. Now we're going to go to click on the frame. There's a drop down right there and just click on page afterwards. Now here in the topic, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply resize it according to my liking. You could also change the shape if you're not satisfied with the shape, and click on it in order for you to input all the necessary information that you want to add onto your bubble basically. So there I'm just gonna put about Prezi, and then here below you just need to add like description about Prezi and whatnot. Okay, and basically you just need to repeat the process if you want to add pages, add a topic, a subtopic, and whatnot. So here I added another page, and if you want to change the color of the circle, by the way guys, then you can actually do that as well. There. Now for the other one, it's like a duplicate of the first one, so I'm just going to add the topic title here first. And then afterwards, we can go to the untitled page. So here when you click on fill color in the upper right hand upper corner, there's actually like a fill color that where you can change the color of the circle. Okay, there, and then you could also add another topic right there, and then you can add an animation if you would like to there. So basically the process is just simple. You just need to remember going to the upper left hand corner, there's the frame, and you just need to click on the drop down and input like page. Okay, and there. That's how we can create a Prezi presentation. All right. So this is just a very basic and simple presentation that I have created using Prezi. But again, the sky's the limit if you would want to like make your presentation more beautiful, then that's no worries. You just need to navigate more on the toolbars and the menu bars here in the editing page section. All right, now let's exit from our animation section, and here you could also get a link and collaborate with other people. If you go to the upper right hand corner, and here in the settings, you can actually see the navigation settings. So you can choose from mouse, trackpad, auto switch, and whatnot. In the path settings, you can actually see or choose what kind of path your presentation takes when you're navigating it. Okay, now let's save it. All right. Now let's go back to our dashboard and let's try to see if our presentation has been saved. Okay. All right. So as you can see, we have our presentation right here and it's private. So when you click on the play button right here, basically it will route us to our presentation. So let's try to play it. Just need to click on the um right keyboard, or like click on the mouse. And that's how we create our Prezi presentation. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.